Now we will learn how to add. Maybe you already know, but that's okay. You can watch and pause the video if you feel it goes by too fast. Do you remember the addition sign? If in doubt, it's like a cross. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 apple plus 1 apple equals 2 apples. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3 apples plus 4 apples equals 7 apples. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 7 apples plus 1 apple equals 8 apples. 5 equals 3 plus 2. Ooh! 5 apples equals 3 apples plus 2 apples. Now you should know how to add simple numbers. I've prepared a quiz that you can take, just for yourself, to see if you have figured it out. You can take the quiz as often as you like. Enjoy your math skills. They can be lots of fun.